Hello friends, let's start to replace the high-capacity battery of iPhone XR. Let's test the airtightness of the phone first. Check the phone for air leaks. Start to pressurize. After the pressurization is completed, start to hold the pressure. Cell phone airtight. Next, let's turn on the power to see the health of the battery. Battery health is still 79%. We start by removing the bottom screws. Put in a special screen removal tool. Disassemble the screen. Professional tools are not easy to damage the case and screen. Do not drop alcohol in the process of dismantling the screen. Dropping alcohol is easy to cause the screen bracket to be unglued. Next, we open the screen. The inside of the phone is very clean and there is no trace of repair. Put on an anti-static wrist strap. Have a test. Put in the dedicated maintenance bracket. Now we start to remove the screen and battery baffle. Buckle off the battery cable and screen cable. Remove the screen. Start removing the battery glue. The battery glue has aged, so we drop a little alcohol. Disassemble the battery. Remove the battery. Clean up the alcohol. Clean up the remaining battery glue. This place must be cleaned up. Cleanup completed. Clean up residual waterproof glue. This place must be cleaned up. It's to restore the airtightness of this phone. Cleanup completed. Let's clean up the remaining waterproof glue on the screen and the dust around the screen. Cleanup completed. Next, we start to transplant the battery cable. Drop a small amount of alcohol. Remove this battery protection board. The contact point of the battery protection board is folded at 90 degrees. Clean up the remaining aluminum flakes on the connection of the cable. The nickel sheet below should also be cleaned up. Clean up the solder joints on the top again. Sand it down. Cleanup completed.